Hi everyone, I hope you well. This is CoinsKid. I'm going to dive into BNB. I'm going to make this one really quick because I've got to go out. But a lot of people are asking me for this, so I'm just going to shoot them straight off the bat, do your forecast. Now, I think that this particular project here, the BNB, is one of the reasons why my channel exploded. Okay, it went from just a couple of hundred views to thousands of views. And the reason is because I hit this on the nail. This particular forecast just did, this breakout. I called it and it absolutely went astronomical. And I remember the comments on the videos, on the Twitter. Everyone thought I had a crystal ball, but I was just doing technical analysis and I seen the break and it came and it was beautiful. Okay, so right now we're holding the key level support, for continuation, and as long as we can adhere to that, we've got a technical target in front of us. We've got this is a forecast that I laid down many moons ago as well, with these impulsive and corrective waves that we're going through. Okay, I do anticipate that we've gone through something like Elliott wave theory right here, where we've got the wave one high, 2, 3, 4. Where is the 4 end? Who knows? But as long as we can come up here and break this side, that means the 4's over. 4 is a corrective wave, just like 2 is, and it can be deep and complex and go on for as long as you like. But so far we are breaking out, so you've got to pay attention to that. We're breaking out above a key level resistance, which is the 20 EMA on the weekly. If we can continue to hold that, then you've got to project forward, basically. So with that, I'm just going to project a fib off this low to the high, and you can see that pretty much that ties up with our $2,000 price prediction that we laid down many moons ago. I think we laid that down here when I seen the breakout. Okay, go back to the first video, boom, it's on its way, isn't it? But you run into a brick wall, okay, which is to be expected, and you retreat to refuel the rocket ships, to come back down and get some support off these energy lines here, refuel the rocket ships for the continuation. But right now you are coming up to some key levels of resistance. You can see you run into 0.618, which is the golden ratio. Okay, now that's normal, you want to see that. If you can come back and hold this 20 EMA on the weekly, this is golden, because it's where you're going to see the break. Okay, and I'm seeing it a lot on other projects where you come up, hit resistance, fall back to support, get the continuation. Because if you look at the breakdown, you break the all-time high here for BNB, Binance coin, you are looking at a whopping potential upside here for BNB of around about $2,000. Initially, I would expect you to get to $1,435 for BNB, okay? But then you're going to have an overextension. I think you're going to come up to this particular level here, the 2.272, over 2K per coin for BNB. Again, not financial advice, but this is just something that the charts are telling me, okay? And until we lose structural support, i.e. create a lower than that at $213, this is your technical target that you are in. Okay, there is equally another technical target which I'm going to show you on the daily time frame, but just there, this is you currently low. If you lose that 213, you're going to enter the bear. Okay, you lose that, that's a bear market because you're rolling over, and with that you can see you're going to enter that large ABC correction, a potential deep bear market correction coming down to a low, which we will find in the bear market for you. But so far, it is adhering, it's creating beautiful structures for the continuation. You're breaking out of key levels of resistance right now. You're breaking above a 0.50. You're coming up in your head on a 618, which is normal. You break above that and break the 786. You're looking at retracement to the high, and you're looking at the next impulsive wave minimal of $1,421, and then a continuation. I think we're going to get a blow off top personally, and you're looking at a 2,000 plus BNB token straight off the bat. But it's all about holding support and breaking resistance. Yeah, lose support, go short, break resistance, turn that into support, continuation. On the daily, just there is a breakout pattern that's already emerged. I think you're already breaking out, to be honest with you. So this, you got a little bit overextended here. Okay, you see this, you ran into this and you got a bit overextended. Look, this was a technical target which I did give you, I think, in a previous BNB update. So you're coming up into a pattern, you're creating a horizontal. With that, you got a continuation. Look, because you was continuing, but you got overextended. And look, you broke out the pattern. Look, boom, target met. Do you see that? But then Bitcoin decided to shit the bed, and with it shitting the bed, it drags everything else down with it. But what you did there is you fell back into a very bullish pattern, a bullish continuation pattern. It's a large descending triangle. You've already broken out of it just here. Do you see this? It's kind of in itself some kind of horizontal, not necessarily descending triangle. Look, you've got, I've seen exactly the same pattern on Solana. That's why I was able to give the prediction on Solana. You're breaking out, you're coming up to this forecast, and then the forecast of the 1618, which is, just look at Solana, it's flying. So you are breaking out. You're breaking out of a key level resistance just here. You broke out on the 27th of July, a key level resistance for BNB. And with that, you do have a technical target. Okay, let me just drop that back in, that level of resistance just there. So this is an extension from there. So you're looking from there to there is your technical target, okay, and right now you're breaking out. So you can see that brings you as a retracement up to $578. So you are in a technical target from here, a continuation of around about 44% up to this forecast just here. That's your technical target out of this horizontal that you find yourself in at the moment. Okay, you can see if I do this, look, if I do this, I wonder where that line's to. That, well, it's not even a line, it's a drawing. So this level of support just there, look, previous level of resistance, ran into it, fell back to support. So this is confluence. This is good. This trend line coming into play, support, previous resistance, now support. You're breaking out. You've got a price target of 573. Unless you roll back now and fall below these lows just here, which I've just given you, then you're looking at more upside here for BNB. You've also equally got a bullish cross, a buy and go to the beat signal from CoinsKid on the daily time frame, formed just there on the 10th of August. Okay, you're falling back into it as support. So your support could be this yellow line, the 20 on the daily. If you do start to see that hit that could be a fantastic level of support and a potential long target at that point off that yellow line. If you're fruitful enough to get that, you could be looking at a 51% long up, and then at that point you're getting through all the major levels of resistance in the fib retracement right here, and that's our primary target, isn't it, the 1618. So you would be creating a high confidence and probability that you're breaking through all resistance, coming back up to the 1618. Okay, and that's how we do it. Simple. It's not rocket science. That's your projections, providing you break resistance and turn it into support. Look, you're doing exactly that. You've broken a 50, the 382, sorry, I do apologise. You've broken a 382, turn it into support. You've broken a 50, you turn it into support. You break the 618, you turn it into support. Slowly but surely, you get to your price predictions and your projections, providing you keep and retain the levels of support that you break, okay, and turn it into resistance. Again, full transparency, if you roll over here and you lose this low at $2.12, you're looking at a bear market right there for BNB. But so far so good, it's doing everything it needs to for continuation. Hope you enjoyed that update, everyone. Take care, bye bye, see you soon. Thank you for sharing the videos. Bye bye.